When I was in the first grade, I did my first life hack ever. I remember my teacher had us bring in a bottle of Coke and a hard-boiled egg into class, and we put the egg in a cup filled with Coke. We took it out, and our teacher was like, before the egg was white, and when you put in the Coke, it became brown. That's what your teeth are gonna look like if you drink Coke, so don't fucking drink it. But my egg was brown before I put it in the Coke. Sarah, I told everybody to bring in white eggs. Why the fuck did you bring in a brown egg? I told the class 10 fucking times yesterday. 10 fucking times, Sarah, to bring in white eggs. But you don't listen, Sarah. You never listen. Your mother never loved you because you can't even do one simple fucking task right. You're a loser, Sarah. You're a loser and you'll never make it anywhere in life. Now get the fuck out of my classroom before I scramble your fucking eggs, you fucking bitch. But apparently now there's a lot more shit you can do with Coke, and our good friends over at 5 Minute Crafts are going to teach us the amazing things that you can do. So today I'm going to be checking out this channel. You've probably heard of them. They provide some of the best crafts on the internet, the best life hacks you'll ever find, and today we're going to be watching one of their videos where they tell us some Coca-Cola life hacks. I like Coke. I've always thought to myself, I need more hacks with it. The only Coke hacks I know is Mentos and Coke. You put Mentos in the Coke and it goes kabloom, but I want to see what other Coke hacks there are out there, so let's get right into this craft. So they start off with the best hack first. This hack apparently is for when you're jerking off, you're beating your dick and you're like, oh no, I got nothing to finish on, what do I do? And then you spot that can of Coke you've had on your bedroom floor for the past 2 years and you let it all go. Because that's what I assume is going on here, because there's no other logical explanation for what the fuck this is. It's disgusting, but let's keep going. That's probably the stupidest hack ever. It's like a shitty commercial that's like, is your screw stuck in the fucking wood again and it won't come out? Well, look no further than a can of Coca-Cola. How does it work, you ask? Well, all you gotta do is pour it on the wood, make sure the wood soaks the liquid right up and stains the fuck out of it, and now you got your screw out and you have a ruined piece of wood. Thanks, 5 Minute Crafts, you saved my life. What the fuck did you do to the wood? No, Dad, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Well, that's a great way to fuck up your lenses and get them not clean, which is the opposite of cleaning them. Who is making these hacks? Like, personally, I wear glasses. When they get a little foggy like that, I use a fucking microfiber cloth. I don't pour Coca-Cola on them and ruin the glasses. That's how you make it worse. Unless you want to see the world a little bit more brown, then I guess go for it. But you know what? Maybe this is a smart idea and I'm being ignorant. Maybe I should try it out. Let me try it out. Alright, so these are my glasses, and then this is Coke, and we're just going to pour some Coke on the glasses and get the fuck out of here. You think I'm gonna put fucking Coca-Cola on my glasses? You think I'm that fucking stupid? Why don't you throw that up a little bit higher and see if it breaks? First off, if anybody hands me a bottle of Coke with hot glue on it, you can get the fuck out of here with that shit. I dare you to go up to your friend and be like, you want a Coke? Sure, here you go. What the fuck is on this bottle? Oh, I put hot glue on it so that way it doesn't break. Oh, that's wonderful, because now I don't want this fucking Coke anymore and I never want to see you again in my fucking life. Thanks, 5 Minute Crafts. You turned my friend into a fucking freak. I fucking dare somebody to do this. I want someone to throw a barbecue and serve me Coke steak. Somebody goes up to you like, wow, this steak is amazing. What'd you marinate it in? Oh, you know, it's an old family recipe. Oh, I get it. You don't want to reveal your secret. That's fine. It was a great steak, though. It's Coke. What? It's Coke. It's Coca-Cola. I put the steak inside of a bowl filled with Coca-Cola, and the raw meat soaked up the soda, and I put that on the grill. And now you're eating that. You're eating Coca-Cola steak. Why would you do that? I saw it on the 5 Minute Crafts video. It's pretty good, right? I'm gonna fucking throw up. What else are you gonna serve me? Coca-Cola cake for dessert? Yeah, we actually have that too. My wife's baking it right now. She always makes it really good. Best Coca-Cola cake you'll ever have in your life. Just wait till you try it. Hey guys, the cake is ready. Who wants a piece? I'm calling the fucking police. But those are just some of the brilliant life hacks that 5 Minute Crafts has to offer. I couldn't possibly cover them all. You'll have to go on their channel to see the rest. But actually, I saved the best life hack of them all for last. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for the greatest Coca-Cola hack in the entire world? All right, here it is. Basically, this is your penis, right? And there's a bottle of Coke. And what you want to do, just force it